Ever find yourself daydreaming about stepping into the real estate arena? Thinking about that perfect property that'll both be a renter's dream and your passive income machine? Well, diving into that dream can be a bit, daunting. What do aspiring rental property owners need to do to get the ball rolling? Hey friends, Hilary Ryan here from Blue Coast Realty. Today, I've got a little roadmap to help you navigate the rental property landscape with ease. Firstly, think about your why. Why are you getting into this? Quick rental cash, long-term property appreciation, maybe both? Know your endgame. It's like having a GPS for your investment journey. Next up, location. Remember that trendy cafe that just opened or that park everybody loves? Proximity to hotspots can seriously up your property's appeal. Dive deep into the community. Low crime rates, good schools, and solid transportation links. It's the trifecta of long-term tenants and families. Got your eye on a property? Think about its age. Older properties might ooze charm, but can come with higher maintenance costs. Modern ones? Sometimes fewer repair headaches. What's the layout saying? Open floor plans, natural light, maybe some outdoor space. These are like catnip for renters. Don't forget about utility costs. If they're high, it might be a turnoff for potential renters. Energy efficient upgrades could be a win-win for you and them. All right, let's talk money. Your potential rental income. Will it cover the mortgage, taxes, and upkeep costs and still leave a bit or a lot for your savings jar? You'll definitely need to do some calculations. Remember, it's not just about buying, it's about maintaining. Amenities like pools or hot tubs can be fab for renters, but remember, they come with some big upkeep costs. Oh, and one last pro tip, always get your property inspected before buying. It's like getting a health checkup for your investment. There you go. With these tricks up your sleeve, you're all set to conquer the rental property world.